Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Find X6 Pro, which Oppo says is ushering in the three main camera era. All three of the cameras on the back of the Find X6 Pro feature the largest sensors in the smartphone world in their respected positions. The wide camera has the 1-inch type Sony IMX989 sensor found in the Xiaomi 13 Pro and Vivo X90 Pro. Behind a 23mm f1.8 lens, the ultrawide lens is a 15mm f2.2, and behind it sits a 1/1.56-inch IMX890 sensor, one of the largest used in an ultrawide camera so far. Then there's the periscope unit with a 65mm equivalent focal length, the same 1/1.56-inch IMX890 sensor, and a bright f2.6 aperture, two firsts on a periscope camera. The cameras are once again Hasselblad branded, and you get software tuning to the colors with the Hasselblad Natural Color Profile, the Hasselblad Pro Mode, the classic XPAN mode for panoramic shots, and even finer details like a Hasselblad Faithful shutter sound, and a Hasselblad watermark that includes the shooting parameters in a border under your photo. Cameras to produce results that aim to emulate the 30 East Caribbean dollars, 30mm f3.5 medium format lens, and 80 East Caribbean dollars, 80mm f1.9 medium format lens. Oppo is also pushing the possibilities of its new cameras through its custom Mari Silicon X imaging processor. It allows for faster focusing and accuracy, as well as a 42% image stabilization range for the periscope camera, which Oppo says is an industry-leading figure. All three cameras support deep fusion of uncompressed raw image data for better clarity and shadow and light information. The Find X6 Pro has an upgraded 13-channel spectral sensor for judging ambient lighting and adjusting white balance accordingly. Using all of its built-in smarts, the Find X6 Pro will be able to offer a 6x hybrid zoom with the periscope lens, with what the company calls full optical quality. It also enables equally good 4K video at both the native 3x and 6x zoom levels. Speaking of video, the Find X6 Pro supports shooting in full Dolby Vision 4K HDR. The ultra-wide camera supports macro shots from as close as 4 cm, and Oppo says the lens has less than 1% aberration. The front camera has a 32-megapixels IMX709 sensor, which is unchanged from the Oppo Find X5 Pro. In front of it sits a wide 21mm f2.4 lens. The rest of the hardware is impressive too. The Oppo Find X6 Pro has a 6.82-inch 3168 by 1440px AMOLED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. Oppo claims this is the brightest panel in the world with a 2500 nit peak brightness. Inside, the Oppo Find X6 Pro has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mated to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 256GB model, UFS 4.0, and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 256 and 512GB, UFS 4.0. Powering the Find X6 Pro is a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 100W Super VOOC wired charging, 100% in 28 minutes, and 50W Air VOOC wireless charging, 100% in 52 minutes. Oppo says the battery will retain 80% of its original capacity after 1600 charging cycles, which is twice the industry standard. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes in brown, black, and green. The brown colorway has a combination of metal-like glass for the top of the rear panel and vegan leather for the rest of it. The camera island is packed into a rounded lens module made of aerospace-grade aluminum. It's all made to mimic the look and feel of a vintage camera. The black and green models use an ag glass that's been polished to give it a metallic look and feel. Naturally, the Find X6 Pro is IP68 water and dust tight, and one of the biggest we have seen is the camera designs and features. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.